BioCode is a platform that provides you with structured and organized bioinformatics courses along with categorized course contents. It provides you with hands-on practical and theoretical courses. Currently, BioCode is offering 30% off on all courses till 16th of January. Here is a list of courses that BioCode offers. For instance, command line based RNA sequencing data analysis, molecular biology masterclass, molecular dynamics simulation course, and many other courses. This is how your screen will look like after starting this course. You can select any lesson that you want to learn and you can watch its video according to your own pace. Under the video you will find two attachments. One is the transcriptions for the video and the other one is the PowerPoint presentation on the lesson. And if you have to ask any question, you can just go to the browse Q&A section, write your question here and click on submit my question. To learn more about bioinformatics, just go to our website biocode.org.uk.